Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add Grammarly to Microsoft Word. So firstly open any web browser, then type Grammarly. Click on this first official link grammarly.com. Then click on login. If you don't have account, so click on I don't have an account. Now sign up with Facebook, Google or Apple ID. I will select Google. Now click on apps. Here you will see Grammarly for Microsoft Office. Click on install. Now double click on Grammarly add-ins. Install Grammarly to create documents in Microsoft Word. Click on get started. Check this box Grammarly for Word and also check Grammarly for Outlook. Then click on install. You will see installation progress. Then you have installed Grammarly. To launch Grammarly, open Microsoft Word or Outlook. If either application is already open, restart it to activate Grammarly. So click on finish. Now open MS Word. Open any document. So now you will see Grammarly icon in your MS Word. So that's it guys, by these simple and easy steps we can know how to add Grammarly to Microsoft Word. So now you can correct your document using this Grammarly. Just hover cursor there and correct it. Like this. So hopefully guys you like this video. By these simple and easy steps we can know how to add Grammarly to Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video useful for you or not.